Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 Portable HD Projector. So, the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 is a compact smart projector designed for people who want a big screen entertainment experience without installing a traditional TV. Now, the thing with this one, it features a native 1080p Full HD resolution and supports playback at 4K video sources, and can project an image from 40 inches up to 120 inches, with Xiaomi recommending screen size between about 60 to 100 inches for the best viewing experience. Now, despite weighing only 1.2 kilograms, it includes Google TV, Dolby Audio, dual 3-watt speakers, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, Google Cast, and a 16GB of built-in storage, making it an all-in-one streaming device. Now, one of the biggest reasons the L1 stands out is how easy it is to set up. Now, it comes with autofocus, automatic keystone correction, and intelligent screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance. That means you can place the projector on a table or shelf, turn it on, and it automatically adjusts the picture into a properly aligned rectangle without requiring much manual tweaking. Now, since it runs Google TV, you can install streaming apps, browse YouTube, and cast content from compatible devices without needing a separate streaming stick. Now, to get started with using this smart projector here, well, this one's quite simple. You just need to place the projector around 1.1 to 3.2 meters from your wall or screen, depending on the image size you want. Plug it in, connect it to your Wi-Fi network, and sign in with your Google account. After the automatic focus and keystone adjustments, well, in this case, you're pretty much good. So you can browse Google TV, launch your favorite streaming apps, and connect gaming consoles or laptops through HDMI, or cast content wirelessly from your phone using Google Cast. Now, the projector also supports Bluetooth, so you can pair wireless speakers or headphones if you want a larger audio setup. Well, where the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 really excels is the convenience of portability. Now, it gives you much larger screen than a TV while remaining small enough to move from one room to another. Now, the built-in smart features eliminate the need for extra streaming devices, and automatic setup features make it beginner-friendly. That also is very quiet during operation, making it suitable for watching movies in a bedroom or small living room. Now, the main limitation is its 200 ISO lumens brightness, so it performs best in a dark or dimly lit room rather than during the daytime or in bright environments. So, who is it actually good for? Now, the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 is ideal for people who want an affordable home theater for movie nights, streaming, or casual gaming in a dark room. Now, it's a great choice for students, apartment dwellers, or anyone with limited space who wants a portable projector they can easily move around. Now, it's also well suited for first-time projector buyers because of its automatic setup features and built-in Google TV. However, if you plan to use a projector frequently in bright rooms or outdoors during the day, well, you'll likely want a brighter model with a higher lumen rating for evening entertainment, bedrooms, and casual home cinema use. Well, the Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 delivers a balanced combination of image quality, smart features, and ease of use at an affordable price. But that's about it. As far as this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.